Masarap. Oh my God. Sarap nito.
Donuts na napapamura kami sa Sarap, Tatots Donuts. Favorite donuts na namin yung sa Tatots, and pagluluwas kami ng Manila, lagi kaming nag-advance order para pick up na lang agad. We've featured them before, but since they're celebrating the rebranding, we want to show them some love by featuring all of our favorite donuts from Tatots. Plus, a quick review on their 3 newest flavors. Start tayo sa newest donut flavors nila. Calamansi glaze. Makapal ang glaze and amoy na amoy mo talaga yung asim ng calamansi flavor. Pagkagat ko, grabe, nag-burst yung flavors inside my mouth. Tapos na complement ng tamis and softness ng donut nila. Solid to. Mango bliss. Ito naman, lasa rin yung mangga and masarap rin siya. Ang generous rin ng glaze and medyo matamis siya, so naghahati kami ni Jowa dito. Choco dilis. Sobrang na-curious kami dito kasi parang champurado and dilis on a donut. Parang weird lang yung taste and feel para sa amin. Okay na kami na we tried it once, but it's not a flavor we'll order again. Pero try nyo pa rin kasi maraming nagustuhan to. Now on to our rankings ng top favorite Tatots donuts namin. Tied naman sa number 3, first is yung Cocoa Craze. This is one of their newest flavors rin. Semi-sweetened chocolate and ang generous and choco cream filling. Tapos the donut is covered with chocolate powder. Akala mo matamis pero hindi. Sarap nito. Ube be. Tama ba? Is a donut for ube lovers. Kita nyo naman ang generous ng ube cream filling nila. Tapos pati yung ube cream on top, sobrang malasa rin. Dark Biscoff. As expected, Biscoff and dark chocolate combo siya. So gets na agad why it's yummy. Lahat ng Biscoff flavors nila, actually love namin. Their new flavor Mango Bliss na I mentioned earlier is also one of our favorites. Sa number 2 rank naman, 3 flavors ang tie dito. First, yung Biscoff Tiramisu. Sobrang flavorful and lasa mo talaga yung Biscoff flavor. Tapos yung Biscoff Latte naman, sarap ng mix ng Biscoff and coffee flavors. Ang mouth-watering nito. Next is yung ultimate favorite kong flavor, Boston Cream. Sobrang bet ko yung sa Dunkin' but Tatots actually made it yummier. Ang daming cream and di rin ganun katamis so ang bilis ko maubos tong isang piece. Must try to. Last but definitely not the least, our top 3 favorite donuts. Bali 3 silang nag-try dito kasi ito yung flavors na napapamura kami sa Sarap. First, yung Calamansi Glaze, one of their newest flavors. Maasim, matamis, generous sa glaze. Their Milky Filled Donut, a new flavor rin, grabe, favorite namin to. Sobrang generous sa powdered milk on top. Tapos ang generous rin sa milky cream filling. At first glance, you'd think sobrang tamis niya, but no. Saktong-sakto lang yung tamis na ang bilis naming maubos yung isang piece. Finally, their peanut butter and jelly donut. Oh my God, nakaka-addict to. Ito yung flavor ng Tatots Donuts na napapaliginipan namin or namimiss namin. Ang sarap ng peanut butter na gamit nila kasi sakto lang yung tamis. Then yung strawberry jelly nila, sobrang nag-complement dun sa peanut butter. Ang generous pa sa jelly filling, so sobrang addictive talaga. Must try! That's it! If you haven't tried Tatots Donuts yet, this is your sign to do it na. I'm sure may mga donut flavors sila na maging favorites nyo rin. Let us know if may favorite na kayo